Kerala, the largest natural rubber producer in India, is not exploiting the opportunities available in the production of high-performance rubber products needed for the country. At present, the existing rubber product manufacturers of the state lack skilling and technical knowledge in producing high-performance rubber products. Adequate knowledge in rubber technology, availability of skilled and trained personnel in the field are indispensable for an investor to enter into this manufacturing sector. Government of India can help the state of Kerala for establishing skill development centers for rubber. These centers will provide specialized training programs to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the rubber industry. Dr. Muralidharan Nair, with a PhD in rubber blends, is an expert and having decades of experience in rubber product development, formula construction, industrial problem solving, rubber compound development and waste management. He held several positions in the profession, like assistant director holding charges of rubber in the industries department. Government of Kerala for years worked as quality manager in Akron Rubber Development Laboratory, a U.S. company operated from Cochin. Member American Chemical Society, approved research guide of MG University, Kottayam, and member Board of Studies, S.B. College Changanacheri. The agencies at the center and state can exploit Dr. Murali Nair's expertise for establishing skill development centers for rubber in Kerala, which will finally solve the existing issues. By doing so, industrialists and entrepreneurs will be made equipped, more jobs will be created, and finally it helps the overall development of the nation. The Skill Development Ministry, Government of India, can intervene in the matter and can establish skill development centers for rubber. Precisely, establishing skill development centers for rubber is an absolute necessity.